I'm a boy. What's up, y'all? Unexpected video, man. This video that was not supposed to happen today. I was not gonna be able to make a video today, but I'm not gonna lie, man. Shout out to the wife, man. I'm supposed to be at work right now. As some of y'all know me, I got a little flea market, man. I work Monday through Sunday, man. It's hard to get time off and enjoy my junks. But man, today they got a lowrider show in Conroe, Texas. So homie Carlos came over this morning. He did a little footage for his channel. Make sure y'all go check him out. Los in the Drop. It's coming out with a Spanish channel. So he came, did a footage, and we're talking about, and man, you know what? The wife says, she's like, you know what? If y'all want to go check it out, go check it out, man. I work for you. So we're not going to be in the show today. We're just going to roll out there, check out the show, get some footage for y'all. And, man, let's see how it goes, man. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I've been driving this car a lot, but going to Conroe, from Alvin to Conroe, woo-wee. Let's hope everything goes good, man. Car been running good. Nothing happened. I haven't had any major issues with this ride. So we should be good, man. Again, I'm getting the car ready right now. The first thing I do is check out all my fluids. Everything looks good. So, man, let's go, man. Once I get over there, we get some more footage, man. So stay tuned. Pow-pow. Hammer boy. So, man, I told you this morning we're going to go to Conroe. We ended up not going. My boy Kevin and John, they ended up not going to the show. To be honest with y'all, it's an hour drive. I don't want to just drive out there for nothing. I wanted to hang out with my homies. I got my boy Los right now with me on the camera. We're about to go hang out with John and my boy Kevin. So some of y'all already seen the cars, but man, let's see. I know my boy Kevin is working on his car and putting in some work on his hopper. So again, didn't make it to the show, man, but we're gonna try to get some footage from John, man.
Welcome to the land where it just don't stop. Trunks pop, tops drops in the front end hot. Paint flop, screens on, that can bad in the song. Yeah, it's on, ride on, ballin' at my home. Texas place don't hate, showing up in the state. Can't wait, get it straight while the front end break. Paint the coast, be the boss, looking good when I float. Sunshine, let it down, turn it up and climb. Roll around, hit your block, trunk going on now. Let it up, let it pop, light up the whole block. Southside, how we hold on a gangster stroll. Music hitting so hard, knocking outside mode. Hit the highway, cruise control, gon' let it roll. Roll up the drink, fired up and show the windows closed. On chrome, high side, throwing up the south side. Give it in this day, I'm coming down, breaking the slag. Songs keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Tops drop. Tops drop. Songs keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Tops drop. Now what's up bass time, cause we know that they feel us. Three-wheeler, Vogue, pillar, acting bad for Skrilla. Swisher, burner, bouncer, turner, sitting low on fold. I'm pulling through the lot, slamming those on buttons. And I'ma slide, slip it and slide. Pop trunk, let it down, show up in my ride. Roll out the red carpet, I'ma buy the park. Bad lay, piece and chain, start to stay my chain. Hit the club, showing love, tip the dancer dub. Got killer in the club, roll after the club. One more time for they mind, I'ma gon' put it down. It's that boy Fat Pat, yeah, I got to climb. Behind him, Mr. Lincoln, my favorite toy. Candy red with the Benz and I'm riding no cream. Mean mugs, triple beam, baby, reality a dream. Sipping lean, sticky green, make the clown the whole scene. Europeans with the grill, making all haters chill. Wide shoulder niggas skills, gripping full grain grill. Running light, shining bright, floating smooth as a kite. Trunk crack, fat pat, bringing out haters' heads. Where they at? Where they at? Before I pull up my gat. Looking good, it's understood, flossing for my hood. Taking pride in my ride like every player should.
Drums keep popping, tops keep dropping down Houston. Tops drop.
So man, we didn't make it to Conroe, but we're over here at Kevin's house checking out the hopper. As you can see, man, not fully ready, but man, it's getting there. So once we get some more time, man, once it's ready, get a little bit more better video, man.
Nah.